Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a product into Shopify by using GraphQL query and with the help of Postman and Node.js. So to create product, we require a right product access scope. So let's go to the Shopify store and get the access token. Go to the settings and then click on app and sale channels and then click on develop apps, create a new app and name it anything you would like. So in my case I will name it YouTube tutorial and I will create app. Now you can see we have overview, configuration, API credentials and app setting. So first we will configure the admin API scope because we are working in the admin API. So I will click on configure admin API scope and from here we need access to write products. So I'll type products and it will filter products. I can read and write products and save. Now configuration is saved. Now click on API credentials. From here you will get the access token. Before getting the access token, you need to install this app. So I'll click on install and install the app. Once you install the app, you can reveal the token and it will be revealed only for one time. So you need to save it at a secure place. So reveal this and I'll copy this and save it somewhere. And if you refresh the page, you will not longer able to see the access token because it is hidden now. So you can change the configuration if you want, but you cannot see the access token. If you want to refresh the token, you have to uninstall the app, then install the app again, and then you will be able to get the new token. Okay, we have the access token. Now let's go back to the documentation and we need we are using 2025-10 latest API, and for the authentication we need access token, and for the curl let me grab the example from here. So we need the Shopify store and this URL. So I'll copy this URL and open the Postman and here we will create a new request and I will copy and paste the request URL over here, and we need to replace this shop with our store URL. I can grab this from here. This is my store URL and I will replace this. And if I go back to the documentation, you can see we need to make the post request and content type should be application JSON, and we need header access x Shopify access token. So let's go back over here and go to the header and paste that access x Shopify access token key over here and the value, the access token, and application. Let me copy that from From here, content type should be application JSON, this one, and a request should be post. Okay, to create product, we need to go to the productCreate mutation, and this is the GraphQL query mutation productCreate, and in the productCreate function we will pass the product object with the title and product option. We have title and the product option, and the product option is name, color, and the values. In the values array we have name red, name blue, and then we have size. Another option is size, values, name, and small, and then we have large. So this is our input in productCreate. So let's copy this GraphQL query and go back to the Postman. In the body, you need to select GraphQL, and from here you can paste the query. So what we are doing, we are sending the mutation request. In the productCreate function, we have a product object. In the product object, we are passing title, product options, and the values of the option in array, and we are getting back product ID, title, and the options, ID, name, position, and everything. These things will be returned when we make the query. So let's go to the Shopify store and go to the products. Right now we don't have any product named cool socks. So let's run this query, send this request, and now you can see the response is 200. Okay, and we get the data productCreate, and in the product we get the ID. This is the product ID and the title cool socks, and then we have option. We get all the data back when we made the query. And now if I go to the products and reload the page, you can see we have a new product cool socks, and if I click on that and open the product, as you can see we have title, we have the variants. In the variant we have color, size, and small. Okay, so you can see we have red color and the size is small. So now let's try to run another query. This time we will create a product and associate metafield, or we can create a product with the media. So let's try to create a product with media, and in this query, let's copy this query and go back to Postman and replace this query. And in this query we are going to create the product with media. We'll pass the product and the productCreate input, and then the media, the create media input. So we'll pass this variable over here. So let's copy them. This is our input. You can copy this and paste that over here. And now the title is the product, this helmet Nova, and in the media array we have original source. This is the source of our image, this one. This is the alt text, and media content type is image. We are passing two medias, one is image and another one is a video. This is external video, and this is the this is the URL of the media, this is YouTube video, and the alt text is testing helmet resistant. So let's run this request, and now you can see the request is successful. We get 200 OK, and the product rate, this is the product ID, title, and the media, and we return, we get the media. If I go back to the store and go to the products, and you can see we have a new product, helmet Nova. And if I open this, you can see we have image and the YouTube video as well. This is the YouTube video, and this is the product image. So let's go back over here, and this time we are going to create the product. We're going to create a product and associate to a metafields. So let's copy this and replace this query. In this query mutation, we are creating product title. This is the product title, and this is the meta field, name MySpace, my field, and material and type is single line text, and the value is synthetic leather. So let's remove these variables and let's run this request. The request is successful. We created the product hiking boots. Let's go back to the store and open this product and hiking boots, and you can see the product meta field. Let's view them all, and you can see if you click on view unstructured meta fields, and this is my field dot linear material, and this is synthetic leather. So we created the product with the meta field. Now go back to the another examples, and this time we are creating create a product with the product options and option values. So let's copy this and paste that over here. We have product title, new title, product option, name, color, values, name red, name green, and sizes small, medium, and if I run this query, run this request, and we get the response, product is created. And if I go back in the products, we have a new product, and this time we have variant red small and color red and small. So now create a product with SEO setting and tags. Let's copy this example and go over here, and this time we're getting eco-friendly, and we are passing the description HTML and with a lot of information. Let's run this query ran successfully, and we can see the new product over here, eco-friendly. If I open this product, we have the product description, we have sizes, we have size, we have color, we have tags, and we have type and vendor as well. So I think now you have a good idea to create products using GraphQL queries. So now let's go to in Node.js and see how we can create products by using Node.js. So now we will fetch product from external API, and then we will add them into the Shopify. So we'll use fake API, product API. So we'll use this FakeStore API. If you click on that and read the documentation and copy this URL and open this URL, and you can see we have ID, product title, price, description, category, image, and the rating. And we have 20 products. So let's try to add them in our store and open the Node.js code. I have already written the code. We have SEOs, require.env, shop, token, and API version. And this is our query, mutation productCreate. Product. In the productCreate, we will pass the product and the product media. And these are our variables: product title, description, vendor, product type, status, and the tags and the SEO title and the meta field. And this is the media. And first we will when we run this function, we will grab all the products from the fake API store, and then we will add them one by one into our store. So let's run this code. So I'll type node add products.js, and it fetched the product. We found 20 products. Now it is adding product one by one into our store. So we have already added 5 out of 20. And if I go here and reload the page, and you will see we have new products. These are the new products. And if I refresh again, and you will see more products are being added. And if you open any of the product, you can see we have title, product description, the image, and the tags, and the vendor, and the type imported. So if I go here, all the 20 products are created in the Shopify store successfully, and you can see them over here. So this is the real world example how we can fetch products from a different API, and we can add them into our store. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.